Sanibonani guys, igama uNqobileni Basalama Zubela engimba ngomhla ka-30 July. Hayibo guys, uLazarus nangu ephendukela ulwandle. Ulwandle-ke ufike namhlanje tatazela ngoba phela abathimi beba ne-conversation benoLazarus ngayizolo. uLazarus wamane waba cold nje, kwabonakala engathi nje akasekho interested ekuthina amqashe laphaya eKhosela Tech. Uthe nje mefika ulwandle wathi hawu uyazi Lazarus, ngithi angizokutshela ukuthi hayi sekulungile ngendaba ke yamashares nayi proxy la into kumele uyenze nje wena ukuthi usayine u10% ke wamashares akho lapha aseZondo Technologies. Yazi izolo busungithusile kabi indlela obukade ucold ngayo towards me, bungazofunga ukuthi le deal usufuna ukuyikhatha off. Amanahleko uLazarus athi ha not a chance. Wathi yazi ngempela bese ngithukile ngoba phela yazi bengitshela ukuthi mina nawe sifuna into eyodwa yabo. Uqomba phansi ubaba. Hayi nangempela uLazarus avume ngekhanda. Hayi ayikhiphe guys ulwandle ifile. Hayi nayi document ke yamashares asayine uLazarus aqede. Bese emva kwalapho abuze kulwandle ukuthi manje Mr Ngcukana ngiqala nini ke eKhosela Tech? Is it today? Is it next week? Amanathi Lazarus, hayibo lwandle ayikho position yakho lapha eKhosela Tech. Hayibo aqale ke manje abuyisa amehlo ulwandle athi hayibo we had a deal. Wathi ya njengoba ngishilo nje ukuthi there is no position for you lapha eKhosela Tech. Hayibo lwandle kuthi akayisakaze phansi. Wathi ubucinga ukuba kuzokwenzakala ntoni? Wena sikuqashe eKhosela Tech emva kokuthi usihlwithe ulikamva. Uyazi ulikamva besimthanda kanjani? Mina benguyise wakhe kahle. Manje ucabanga ukuthi mina ngingaqasha umuntu ngimfake enkampanini ube wenza nje emndenini wethu? Kona uthini ngonkosikazi wami uzoleka cause bekade ewunyana wakhe nayo likamva. Hayibo guys ulwandle manje wathi bengicela ke ukuthi mekuthi ucabanga ngaleyo ndlela ke sikhansele yonke into yabo, ungibisele back amashares. Amathi no, sesayinile nje mina nawe. Hayibo everything has been done legally. Yonke into manje singaphansi komthetho ayisekho ezandleni zami. Ngisekwazi manje ukuthi ngibuyisele lutho emumva. Yabona nje kungekudala ubaba bakho uzobe seyazi ukuthi ngina amashares lapha eZondo Technologies and uzowazi ukuthi ngiwanikeze wena yabo. Yeah, so nje bengicela ukuthi ungishiye la eofisini. Hayibo guys ulwandle uphume umhlaba udrya uthi ikhanda lakho dry like eshawe nzululwane guys. Yay, Lazarus is a dangerous man. Uthe suka lapho afonela unkosikazi wakhe angithi phela usezobuya uAzande lapha usuthwini njengoba kade emcimbini wokoluka. Asho ukuthi ke ngizothatha indiza maduzane ngifike lapho. Ambuze ke uzoleka ukuthi how did it go? How did Lwandle take it? At he was crushed. Guys, ukuba crushed kwaLwandle kamkitaza uLazarus. Athi but I'm feeling sorry for uma wethu yazi. Phela uma wethu is innocent in all of this yabo. Athi innocent where? Wathi ya sendiyatsho nje kaloko kuba yazi we were harsh. What ayibo usukhohliwe yini ukuthi uma wethu betrayed us? Wahamba waya ukosebenzela uZondo. So yeah, I think he deserves it too. Hayibo Lazarus, what is happening with you? Ndoda, what is wrong with you? What's got into you? But anyway, Lazarus ikaqeda wathi yazini izo zindileqe i-flight yami e-airport. Okay, ngicela ukudrop i-call. Kanti uqhawekazi ulalele yonke i-conversation. Guys, uqhawekazi uhambile waya kumawethu. Wafica umawethu sober this time around. Wathi mawethu ngizokuchecka la wathi if it is about yesterday there's no need to. What kunento ekumele ndikuxelelile yona. Wathi uthetha ngantoni? Wathi promise me ukuba lento ozoyiva kwangoku awuyivanga ngami. Okay? And uma kukhona umuntu obuza ukuthi ngike ngeza apha uthi nje cha ngikaze ndafika apha. Hayibo qhawekazi. Wathi okay thetha ke. Wathi uLwandle is a mole. uyena bekade esifeed information lapha ekhosela tech about izondo technologies kanti futhi ne-Afribiz uyena uyithathile yonke information i-contractor khona wayinikeza abantu basekhosela tech. Umane wathi nje uma wethu andivanga wathi ndivile kaloku wathi awu there's no way Lwandle would never do that because yena bese beqala ukuvana notatakhe yabo like baqala ubuyisana ndomnikeze nama-shares so he would never do that. Trust me, he was there ekhosela tech uLwandle uthe ufuna ukuziphindiselela kubaba wakhe cause ngathi kukhona into amenza yona so this is like revenge. Lalela-ke mawethu benicela uma ungangikholwa ubuze uPortia. Portia knows too. Hayi emva kwalapho wathi-ke I need to go i-flight time nami yanishiya wahamba uqhawe leaving uma wethu guys confused ukuthi bekade busy ehlala nomuntu endlini emxoxela inkinga zakhe kodwa manje kuthiwa go ask lo muntu lo shuthi ubazi all along and imfihle ngaka. Yes guys uhambile endlini-ke kuma wethu wahlala phansi ubhuti wakhe-ke uSam ubeloke embuza ukuthi yini lekudlayo. It's like you are in deep thought. What are you thinking about? Ayi-ke guys washo uma wethu ukuthi hey sendive indaba enkulu kabi apha ngiva ukuba uLwandle uyena lo yimoli laphaya ezondo technologies. Athi indaba engaka? Wathi and Portia knows. Ndixelele uqhawekazi. Wathi hayibo uzothini uma kuthiwa uqhawekazi uqamba amanga? Wathi what would she gain for lying to me about this? And yazi now that she's telling me this yazi I'm thinking about i-reaction kaPortia. Lately uPortia ubekade engincintsha amehlo yazi kubonakala nje ukuthi khona into ayisola ngayo man. Uyaregreta something. Hayibo guys uthe suka lapho umane nje wathi uma wethu yazi ngifuna ukufonela uMr Zondo kwangoku ndimxelele the whole truth. Amane athi umfowabo uSam not yet, don't call him because ngeke aze akukholwe when find proof, find evidence about this. Ngampela-ke guys wathi yazini athi ngeke ngifonele uPortia kuqala. Wamfonela uPortia vele efrazekile ugele stressekile ile ndaba. Wathi muntu wami ndiyakukhumbula kalokho ngakhona ukuba ufike tonight. Athi Portia no worries, I'm gonna be there. Athi uma wethu I can't wait to see you. Yabo look, I can't wait to see you. It's not like ubefuna ukuspend quality time no Portia. He can't wait to see her khona azomgrilla ngembuzo. Yo guys, if only uPortia knows ukuthi what she's going there for. Ayi ngaba kayanga ngisho ukuya ngabe nje ugela umani wakhetha ukuhamba aye emcimbini kaAzande instead of going to umawethu. But noqhawe akathembakele ugirl. She shouldn't have said ask Portia because now sengathi umbetrayile ugirl because umcelile ngayizwela ukuthi please don't tell umawethu about this, okay, and please don't tell anybody actually. And to tell umawethu is like guys ummoshele guys hayi kancane. Anyway akupheli-ke lapho uLwandle-ke umane nje wawezwa amazwi kaLazarus eloku eringa endlebeni zakhe ethi there is no position for you here at Khosela Tech. Here aphinde futhi there is no position for you here at Khosela Tech. Athi sabathe uhlala phansi uyasukuma there is no position for you here at Khosela Tech. Hayibo omane wadubela ebhodleni likagologo ubhuti esefuna ukuthi aphuza dakwe. And uyakhumbula ukuthi drinking what really caused the last time he drank a lot of alcohol, he actually killed someone. Uthe nje sathi ukuchitha utshwala esekhumbule lokho kwabe kungena abazali. And trust me, uma wakhe uLwandle knows him better than anyone. Like ngisho Sydney akamboni uLwandle mekuthi usenkingeni. Umane wathi ndontana u-right, wathi yebo ngi-right. Uma wakhe ubeyifunda ivaliwe nje incwadi ukuthi no, something is wrong with this kid. Washo-ke uSydney ukuthi we have to go out for dinner tonight, sihambe siye laphaya ePalette sithi kuyo-unwinder. Hayi uLwandle is not interested in unwinding because uyabona manje ukuthi hayi usobishini ubhuti usodakeni hayi indaba zokudlala akanawo umsebenzi eKhosela Tech Zondo Technologies. The moment athola uSydney ukuthi uhambisa ama-shares inkampani yakhona bazomgcoshisa okwenja kahle ikusasa lakhe limoshakele uLwandle ulimoshe yena futhi ngezandla zakhe. He had everything going right after being arrested for quite some time. Uyabuya uthola umsebenzi kanje nje ngeplate uzuthola nama-shares 20% wonke. He should have just taken that and lived his life. nokwenza futhi this was not just 20%, it was the full legacy, because kahle kahle uSydney ubesho ukuthi mewukuthi usemdala yonke le nkampani uzoyinikeza yena. Shuthi nje kahle kahle eventually bezo-ona 100% waleya company. But what did he do? Out of anger and greed and wanting to like avenge, angazi nokuthi ngizothi avenge abani ngoba noLikamva ngeke asabuya phela. Buka manje, he has lost everything. Yazi mekuthiwa umuntu lost everything, ulwandleke loyo guys. Mhlampe-ke inyembezi zikaLikamva benozethu asazi, ngoba-ke kushiwo vele ukuthi uKarma uyayazi i-address. Guys, aphela lapho-ke amazi. Vela namhlanje ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe and like and comment. Until next time, bye. Sanibonani guys, igama uNqobileni Basalama Zibela enimba ngomhla ka 30 July. Hayibo guys,